The following video will go through all aspects relating to battery insertion and operation of the P640 hearing aid. The P640 will be shipped to you in a hard case. Please store your P640 in this case or similar when it is not in use. According to your order, we will send the devices set up for use on your left or right ear. There is small blue or red lettering towards the bottom of the tubing. Blue indicates left-sided tubing, red indicates right-sided tubing. We will also include a dome on the end of the tubing. The size sent by default is a size 7 dome. We also include a tulip dome and power dome, which we will show you how to use shortly. In terms of user controls, the P640 has a volume control on the spine of the hearing aid. This is a wheel showing numbers 1 through to 4. To increase the volume, move the wheel upwards, and to decrease the volume, move the wheel downwards. There is also a push button above the volume control. When the P640 is on the ear, by pressing the push button once, you will hear one or more beeps. The number of beeps indicates which program you have selected. For example, 1 beep for program 1, 2 beeps for program 2, and so on. On the P640, the second program is the telecall setting. When the P640 is turned off and then back on, it always returns to the default program 1 setting. The P640 runs on a size 13 battery. In order to change the batteries, you firstly need to remove the adhesive tab from the battery itself. Peel off the sticker and allow air to circulate through the cell for a number of seconds before inserting into the hearing aid. Open the battery compartment by using the fingernail notch on the edge of the battery tray. Insert the size 13 battery, ensuring that the negative or shouldered contact is pointing downward, and with the positive or the flat contact uppermost. Close the battery compartment until a distinct click is felt or heard. The P640 is now on. It may be switched off by opening the battery door. If your battery starts to go flat, the P640 will indicate this by emitting a series of beeps. You will only be able to hear this when the device is in the ear. The P640 is sent with a tulip dome and a power dome. These are for use should you experience any whistling or find that the standard size 7 dome is too small. Remove the size 7 dome from the end of the tubing by pulling it off. Insert the tulip dome onto the end of the tubing, ensuring that it is pushed over the small ridges on the end of the tube. Please take care when doing this. The power dome is a tighter fit and may take a few attempts to get right. For your convenience, we will ensure that with every order you receive a pre-attached power dome to the standard tubing.